In this video, we will talk about how to fix error code 0x8007003B. Something went wrong on Microsoft Store/Xbox app on Windows 11. Method 1. Reset Microsoft Store cache. Right-click on Windows icon. Select Run. Type wsreset.exe and press Enter. A blank command prompt window will appear. Wait until Microsoft Store will reopen automatically. Method 2. Repair or reset. Click on Windows icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down, click on System Components. In Microsoft Store, click on 3 dots. Select Advanced Options. Scroll it down. In Reset option, click on Repair first. If it doesn't fix, click on Reset. Repeat the same steps for Xbox app. Simply click on Apps. Then Installed Apps. Search for Xbox. Click on 3 dots and do the same. So that's how you can fix error code 0x8007003B. Something went wrong on Microsoft Store/Xbox app on Windows 11. See you in the next video.